So world is consisted of very much temple having their own mysteries and rituals. In that one also, Odisha is known as the land of Lord Jagannath, literally the meaning of Lord of the universe. The temple, built in the 12th century AD, has been epicenter of Jagannath cult and sees the pilgrim flocking the temple town of Puri from all corners of the world throughout the years. The mysticism associated with the cult of Lord Jagannath overshadows the architectural brilliance of this magnificent temple. Built on a raised platform, Jagannath Temple is an architectural marvel in its own right. The temple saw new addition to its structure till about 16th century AD. Unlike the other temples of the regions, the carving on the temple are predominantly of gods and goddesses. The entire temple complex is enclosed within two concentric walls. The Kuruma Veda means the inner wall and the Meghanath Pachira wall. The main entrance to the temple is through Singhadwar located on the eastern front of the temple with the three other entrances along other cardinal directional. However, these are not architectural aligned, indicating that the other entrances might have been created for security purposes since the temple was at the eye of the storm during the tumultuous period between the 16th to 18th century. So now I'm going to tell you some architectural facts about this temple which make it a very surprising and mysterious and mystical temple, Lord Sri Jagannath. So let's get started. The main point is the main temple is constructed in such a way that no shadow of the temple fall on the ground at any time of the day. As you can see in this picture, the Nil Chakra or the blue whale perched on the top of the temple is made of 8 metals or astadhatu. Astadhatu means 8 metals or asta. It is said that 8 is ast in Hindi. It is believed that if you see the Nil Chakra, it is a good as seeing the Lord himself, means the Lord Sri Jagannath, seen as a Lord Astadhatu. Then the flag. Number 2 fact that the flag or the Patita Pavan flows, mean the flag of the Sri Lord Jagannath flows in the opposite direction of the wind and is changed every day at sunset and is changed every day. Every sunset at every day. Means how they can see. Let's get forward. The feat of changing the flag rests with the family appointed by the king. They have been doing this ritual over 800 years ago. Then now is going on also. Climbing 165 meter barefoot without any support. How you can think any support. Then the Mahaprasad or the offering to the Lord is prepared on the fire lit by the wood, charcoal and rice and vegetable cereals and are put in earthen pot placed on the fire on one top of the other. The pot on the top cook first. Meaning how think that the top of the earthen pot when the 1 2 3 4 8 pots, then first one number pot first cooked. Meaning how it's cooked, we don't the pandits or the pandalok also don't know. Then the Arun Stamba, the 33 feet monolith structure pillar in the front of Singhadwar or the main entrance. The temple was originally located at the Sun Temple Kona. Means the Arun Stamba. Arun Stamba is a pillar that is 33 feet monolith structure pillar in front of Singhadwar. As you can see in the picture, Singhadwar or the main entrance of the temple was originally located at the Sun Temple Konark. Then Another unique feature of the temple is that the idols of the Holy Trinity, mean Lord Sri Jagannath, Lord Subhadra and Lord Balabhadra, are carved out of woods rather than stones and metal, as other gods and goddesses is carved in such a way in the form of stones or metal idols. But our Sri Jagannath situated in Puri is made of wood and not a normal wood. It is very a unique wood we found in Puri district. Then they are also the only deity with the trapping our mortality. Okay, then let's talk about the then Puri features. Okay, then festivals. What festivals is happening in Sri Jagannath Puri? Okay, so there are many festival and ritual associated with the Lord, so we list a couple. So first is the main and most famous and world famous is the chariot festival or Rath Yatra. This happened during the month of June or July. During the festival, the Lord comes out to the street to greet his devotees. People, irrespective of caste, creed, and color, can seek his blessing. Okay. So second festival is the Devasnana Purnima. Devasnana Purnima, the annual bathing ritual where the Holy Trinity has brought out from their sanctum in the place where they situated inside the temple, inside their room. Okay, they come outside on a seated in a raised platform, bathed with purified water drawn from a well within the temple premises. Means there is a well inside the temple where Sri Jagarnath come outside from their room to take bath from the well inside the temple premises. So let's close this topic, and if you gain some knowledge from this video, so please like this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for getting more informative videos on other temples or other tourism place. So I live in Odisha, so I make all videos related to travel. So please subscribe my channel. So thanks for watching this video till the end.